Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here. I'm back for another awesome video. Well, basically all good layouts must be put away and a new layout must be put out. Now I do try to do my double layout way of things where I try to keep multiple layouts at once, but today I am showing you guys my Minneapolis Terminal 2 layout one last time just for a little bit while we do focus on some other layouts here for a bit. So without further ado guys, we're just gonna be taking you around the board here and just kind of showing you some awesome angles. I have pretty much all my Sun Country aircraft out lined up here today. So let's go ahead, let's get right into this video. Showing you guys some more details of the layout here. Hangar 505 did this layout here. You guys can go check them out on their Instagram. They are currently in the process of making a website. So stay tuned for that. They do amazing work here. Very accurate work of the satellite imagery done with a lot of their custom work. I do have a few projects with them in the near future, so stay tuned, as well as the Honolulu Airport's Hawaiian terminal there on the end. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'll be partnering with Model Airport Network as well for the terminal. So very excited for that, guys. Lots of detail here. Especially this end gate, very specific here because I did my ramp treating actually on the end of here. And just an interesting gate here because it comes right along this service road. So you really got to be watching for the trucks coming back and forth here. Just take a good last look at this for a little while here, guys. Absolutely amazing. I might try to put this up on a shelf or something. I just love looking at this terminal. It means a lot to me. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, guys, coming along here, you can see just a lot of the good work that went into this. And you can see they're really good. The angles here with the windows. Like, look at this. Super cool. It's pretty much accurate right here. This is one of the rooms you go in to take your breaks over here. So, yeah, pretty accurate, guys, pretty accurate. Also coming back over here, you can see a lot of the nice details that were added in here. Super cool. All right, guys, here's the $1 million view right here with all the Sun Country airplanes lined up here. Absolutely amazing here. Nice view here. I do want to get one of the Sun Country Transavia. It was a white and green aircraft at the time when I worked at Minneapolis. It was about maybe over 10 years ago now, but it was really cool. So I want to reflect upon that time, day, and age of when those flew into here. With the way that the terminal was set up before, you couldn't really see more of it from like the tarmac area. So I really wanted to go ahead and give you guys a nice shot of this while I have this out and displayed. Amazing work by Zach at Model Airport Network here. This is flawless. I did put my jet bridges out from Tarmac Designs because I really do like the way that these turn here. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and take a look here. Also, here's an Iceland Air 737 MAX 8 taxiing on into the gate after its flight from Iceland. So you can see the JetSet Models ground crew workers here holding off the roadway here as it taxis on into the gate here. Actually, we're set up for the wide-body aircraft, but now we're handling the 757 here, or the 737. Again, guys, Model Airport Nation here. I'd like to thank you guys again for joining me today. More airports getting set up here, as you guys can see. I'm going to be doing an LAX for a little bit here, and then I'm going to be jumping right into JFK T4. So we got a lot going on right now, guys. I'm trying to juggle LAX, as well as I have the temptation to put my T-bid out again, which is absolutely amazing. Only thing is, it's just like, it's a lot to, I guess, like put out for display, and then I don't know, guys. I want to put JFK out. So stay tuned for that, guys. Again, stay tuned. Model Airport Nation here. Of course, right here on YouTube, guys, Instagram and TikTok at Model Airport Nation. And I'd like to wish you guys happy collecting. And thank you for watching this video and your support.